Alright, this is a review of the Lexicon Flip Design Lug Nut Socket Set. Got this because some of my lug nuts were starting to get a little rounded, and my regular lug nut wrench wasn't working easily with them. So, I found this set. It's got several sizes to fit about every design. Fits really nice. This is the one that is starting to get rounded, and I feel no issues there. Alright, see how it works. Yeah, I feel good. Feels alright. Yep, no issues with a lug nut that was less than perfect. Yeah, top corners are starting to get a little rounded. Fit right in at the bottom, no problem. All right. So the Lexivon Lug Nut Set.